Good morning, children. Now let's listen to exercise 2 pages 166, 168. Natural disasters. Natural disasters are very dangerous for the earth and the lives of people. There are different types of natural disasters that can happen. They are earthquakes, hurricanes, typhoons, cyclones, tsunami, floods, avalanches, mudslides, volcanic eruptions, droughts, fires. These disasters can destroy everything in their path. Earthquakes are caused by tectonic plates when they rub against each other, or mine blasts or nuclear tests carried out by people. Hurricanes, typhoons, cyclones are the weather phenomena where large storms swirl in circles and reach a wind speed of over 74 miles per hour. The storm, which happens in the Atlantic and Northern Pacific, is called a hurricane. The storm, which happens in the northwestern part of the Pacific, is called a typhoon. The storm, which happens in the southwestern part of the Pacific and the Indian Ocean, is called a cyclone. A tsunami is caused by either an underwater earthquake or volcanic eruption. Its huge waves, as high as 100 feet, destroy everything in its path too. A flood is an overflow of water that covers the earth. A severe flood can ruin everything. People also can be washed away with the flood and be drowned. A mudslide is a liquid mass of dirt and ground sliding down a mountain. It is caused by cutting down trees. It is very difficult to get out if you get caught in it. An avalanche is a large amount of snow, ice, or rock falling rapidly down the side of a mountain. Avalanches can bury everything met in their path. Fires and volcanic eruptions are very dangerous too. They destroy the natural habitat of animals, the home of people, leaving families homeless. People can be washed away, left under destroyed buildings, or burnt in the fire. Natural disasters influence greatly economy. The physical and mental health of people can bring infectious diseases, and lots more. After natural disasters, people who are susceptible get a lot of stress and psychological trauma. They become depressed and an anxiety disorder can be developed. They are often in a very bad mood. They sometimes cannot even work. The government have to spend a great deal of money to reconstruct areas that were affected by natural disasters in order to help people. By the way, the weather and the climate influence human lives in many aspects: economical, social, physical, and ecological spheres. Changes in weather and climate influence infectious diseases spreading among people. They lead to malnutrition, diarrhea, and respiratory diseases. These changes threaten our health through the food we eat, the air we breathe, the water we drink. Such pollution can have terrible consequences for people. It means headaches, migraines, low energy, muscle weakness, sleepiness, breathing problems, colds, great pain sensibility, dry skin, and more serious diseases, cancer, pneumonia, and others. What to do to be healthy? To protect nature, to eat healthy food, fresh fruit, vegetables, berries, fish, brown rice or grain, poultry, dairy products, etc. To do sports, to go for walks, to sleep about 8-9 hours each night, to air the flat, to avoid stimulants such as chocolate, coffee, especially in the evening, not to smoke, not to eat junk and fat food, not to play computer games day and night.